Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a vlog. I like to do these especially during this holiday seasons during vlogmas. I usually try to vlog once a week. I don't really do daily vlogs because honestly I really don't do a whole lot, so I just kind of compile my week together, and usually the holidays are just more festive and fun. Today's video is going to be sponsored by Thrive Market. I'm really excited to be showing you more from them. I have a Thrive Market little snack haul that I'm going to share in the middle of today's video, but you guys can check out their website. I'll have the link down below. Starting this vlog on a Monday here, and Mondays are usually my day I try to get a lot of stuff done. Lately I've been trying to focus on my house and just getting everything organized. I've been doing a lot of decluttering lately. My kitchen's kind of a wreck, so I should work on cleaning that today, and then hopefully I'll have time to film a couple of videos today as well, because we have a lot to upload, edit, all of that. So let's go ahead and get started for the day. Alright, so I got most of my dishes done. I'm letting this sit because I have this burnt piece on this pan that just won't come off, so I'm letting it sit with some of this Dawn dish spray, hoping that it will come off. I really need new pans so bad. Anyways, I got all my counters cleaned, and now I need to post on my reels. I am doing a collaboration with Hy-Vee grocery store, so they approved my post for Instagram on their beauty box, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload that now because I do have it ready to go. And I need to post it on TikTok as well. And here it is. Today I am heading over to... So we're gonna post that today. So after I post this, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue picking up and cleaning. And hopefully I can get a video filmed before my husband gets home, because I usually like to film when I'm alone. I don't know, I'm weird I suppose. But let's get back to it. So I finished some of the decor. I have not done the tree yet, but I just did not get around to it. But I really like how this table came out. I just kind of used whatever I had already for decor. So I don't know, kind of some pretty pastels. This candle holder I love. I got this at Bath & Body Works last year. Most of my decorations are from TJ Maxx. And then we have also the Bath & Body Works Royalty Bear. I love decorating with all the candle holders. And also my TV stand is pretty basic as well. Don't mind my water. But I just put this little peace sign here. I just actually got this at TJ Maxx recently this year. And then these little pine tree little mini plants. So very simple. I think eventually I want to get a really pretty garland for this area. I did set up this little ornament tree with all my ColourPop ornaments on it in my makeup room. I'm still organizing this area a little bit, but I thought that was pretty cute. And then I set my rose gold stuff I had. My little rose gold deer and my joy sign up here. And then in the kitchen I really don't have much going on. I'm just trying to keep things really simple. I have this super old Bath & Body Works little snow globe candle holder, as well as this white tree, and then we have this Believe red sign that I got at TJ Maxx. And this is the flocked tree that we got, and I'll have probably the Christmas ornaments on tomorrow, hopefully, if I have time. We'll see. I just did not get around to that today. I'm still working on kind of fluffing this up as well. But yeah, I finally got a new tree. It's the flocked one, saying goodbye to my white tree with all the pink ornaments, but ready to have more of a classic tree this year. So I'm in the process of trying to decorate the tree, and Cash is being a little turd the whole time. Of course, when we first got the tree, he kept trying to climb up it. He hasn't done that so much now, and every time he touches it, I like spray him with water. But now, as I'm decorating, he's wanted to be on the counter and has knocked everything over. He's knocked my little ornament hangers off the counter like 50 times, so it's been a real joy. I don't know how he's gonna act with all these ornaments in the tree, but we'll see how it goes. He's just in hyper mode right now, but the tree is getting decorated. It's actually Candle Day Eve tonight, so it's about 9:30. I should hopefully go to bed soon, but I'm not really tired. I have to get up super early for Candle Day, and yeah, I just want to get this tree done. So we're doing the decorations, and I'll show you guys the finished product. This is Cash, by the way. Look at his face right. Super hyper mode right now, getting into everything. Already ran to the tree. Alright, I think this is the finished product. It's nighttime, so you probably can't see it very well. Plus, I bought green and gold ornaments, so the green ones do kind of blend in. And then I got these cute little glitter deers as well, which I think are so fun. And it's all blue because we have a fish tank in the background that's reflecting off of this. But yeah, I think it looks good. So hopefully Cash doesn't mess with the ornaments and knock them all over, but it happens. So tree is done. I don't know if I'm gonna have a topper because I bought this from Walmart and it's not working out. These branches are really thin. I don't feel like this tree is like the best quality. It wasn't super expensive or anything, but this does not stay up and it just looks so weird. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Maybe I could just do a big bow on the top or something like that. But yeah, I think most of the Christmas decor is officially done. Good morning, guys. It's candle day. I'm running a little bit behind, but I should still be a little bit early to the store. I should get there around 4:40 or so. It's 3:41 right now. I just put a little bit of foundation on just to look a little more alive this morning, and I thought I would just keep my glasses on so that my eyes didn't get bothered today. This lighting is really nice right now. Anyways, I'm gonna head out the door and I'll probably talk to you guys when I get to the mall. Alright guys, I'm at the mall. I went to one of my like lower traffic locations where hopefully there's not going to be too many people. I usually like to go to a smaller store for candle day and then I'll probably go to a bigger store later, but I used to work at this Ulta. It's bringing me back memories because I used to come here this early to unload truck and put all the new stuff out. Super fun job. I'm actually at Merle Hay Mall in Des Moines and there's only a couple cars in the parking lot, which it could even be employees, so who knows if it's even people. So maybe we'll be first, maybe we'll be second, I don't know, but I'm thinking they open at 5. I just think no one wants to get up this early. So let's go in the actual entrances over to the right. But I wanted to park where there's a lot of light. So here we are. Alright guys, we made it in. I was a little bit nervous because most of the doors were locked except for one door. But we made it. It's super dark in here, by the way. And I'm pretty sure I'm one of the only people here. But let's go see if there's a line. Old Navy looks like. Super bright in there. Dang. Alright, it looks like I'm the only one here for now. And it's 4:42 a.m. So hopefully they do open at 5. I think they do. Here's the marketing. Oh, so excited. I'm trying to peek inside and I see they put out in the stars. I'll see if I can zoom in. You guys won't be able to see that. I'm just trying to sneak a peek there, but I'm glad those are out. But I don't think they have the other collection I was looking for. I wrote everything down. Like this collection that has toasted hazelnut praline and like Mary Maple pancakes. Maybe those are reserved for later, but I don't think they have those. But I am glad to see in the stars and red velvet cupcake back there too. Alright, I'm going to my second location, and this mall is extremely small. It's in a different town, and pretty much Bath & Body Works is like the only thing open in here. But I heard they have the pancake candle that I want, so hopefully it's still here, but it might be sold out, but we will see. Alright, so unfortunately this store did have the candle, but it was sold out, but they did have the rest of the collection. I really wanted that pancake one. Apparently it might come out tomorrow since they're probably gonna run out of stock of a lot of stuff today. So I'm hoping maybe if, I don't know if I want to get up again tomorrow and go, but they might have that. I think there's like a toasted hazelnut something and a vanilla swirl brownie that I wanted to get, but yeah, I did not have it. I drove all the way here, but I did get a couple of things at this store. So I was thinking if I want to go to any more, but I might just call it a day. I mean, I did get quite a bit already. So really, I don't think I'm going to find those other collections. So I want to stop at Walmart and see if they have anything new, because I'm filming a Walmart video, shop with me right now. and probably head home. Alright guys, so I am back home from Candle Day. I did put a full face of makeup on so I could film my haul. It's already up on YouTube. But now, I wanted to show you guys what I ordered from Thrive Market. I got a huge box that is full of mostly some healthy snacks, and they are sponsoring today's video. If you guys haven't heard of Thrive Market, they are a membership-based kind of online healthy grocery store. Their website is gonna get you access to the best deals on these healthy options. They have anything from like food, snacks, they have some meals planned already. You can get frozen things delivered to you. They have super fast shipping. They even have some beauty products on their site as well. But I've been wanting to try out some healthier snacks. I really am terrible with my diet, and it's hard to find healthy options where I live. I live in a small town and we just don't have very much options. Here we have like the smallest healthy section in our grocery store, but what's nice about Thrive is that they cater to many different diets. So you can find stuff for paleo, for keto, it's all there. So let me show you guys what I got. The first thing that I picked up are by Quinn, and these are the creamy peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. I am so excited to try these. I love peanut butter and pretzels. Salty sweet snacks are my go-to. They also have one of my favorites on their site, Boom Chicka Pop. So I picked up 2 of the white cheddar popcorn from them. This is my go-to. This is a really healthy popcorn option. It's already pre-made. You don't have to pop it in the microwave. I got these by Simple Mills. We do have this brand at my grocery store, and it's actually really good. I tried their cupcakes before. They have way less sugars than a lot of other brands. This is the crunchy almond flour cookies with chocolate chips. Some of the items on their site you have to buy 2 of. So this one I had to buy 2, so I'll just keep this one in the packaging. But I picked up this oat milk for making coffee at home. I'm trying to do better at that. I don't want to go out and get coffee like every single day as I've been doing, and I would rather have a healthier coffee option rather than always the super sugary drinks. So this is the Khalifa Farms Oat Barista Blend. A lot of people on the review said the Barista Blend is the best, and it tastes like you have a real latte from the coffee shop. And then I got a bunch of chips. I'm always loving salty snacks over sweet snacks usually. So I got these coconut oil sweet potato chips that looked really good. I also got these non-GMO grain-free puffs. So basically a healthier version of a Cheeto. And these are the vegan nacho flavor. So these are 130 calories per serving, only 1 gram of sugar in here. And then the last thing I have here is also from Quinn, and this is the whole grain touch of honey pretzel sticks. So I thought I would also try these. That is my snack haul from Thrive Market. I am so excited to try these things. I'll definitely update you guys on some of the newer ones and let you know how I like it. I'm really excited to start using this service as well and being able to shop on their site now that I have a membership. If this is something you guys are interested in checking out and joining, it's about $5 per month for their annual membership. If you join today with my link, it's gonna get you 30% off your first order and also a free gift. So that link is down below. I'm gonna go ahead and put these snacks away, and I have some packages to ship from my Poshmark orders, so I'm gonna be working on that for the rest of the afternoon. Hey guys, good morning. It is the next day here, and I need to hop in the shower. I just wanted to say hello. Today's a pretty chill day here, not a whole lot going on since it is the weekend. I know for sure tonight we want to make like a baked ziti pasta in the crock pot for tonight, and also I want to check out the Christmas decorations in my cute little town. They're doing like a Dutch Christmas market that they just started this year, so I wanted to check it out and see what they have. There's just a couple vendors there. My town decorates super cute for Christmas. It's like a little Hallmark town from like a Hallmark movie. It's adorable, so I do want to show you guys that when it gets dark tonight. But other than that, really not a whole lot going on here, honestly. I am probably gonna start putting away some of my laundry because that's like super backed up from the week. I hate laundry. And I do kind of want to go through some of my clothes and maybe make a declutter pile for that with some stuff I'm just not wearing. So that's kind of the plan for today. Nothing really crazy. I do need to upload a video today because I am doing vlogmas, so I'm doing uploads every single day for December. I have maybe like one pre-filmed video, so I could do that if I just really don't feel like putting makeup on, but I really should at least take advantage of the time I have today and film a couple things. So I probably will end up putting makeup on today, but I'm gonna work on the laundry for a few hours, and maybe like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock I will start filming while I have some daylight still. So that's kind of the plan. By the way, somehow I scratched myself, I think in the middle of the night, and so now I have this really annoying scratch on my eye. It's so annoying for putting on eyeshadow, but yeah, that's what that is. Anyways, I just wanted to give you guys an update of what's all going on, but I'm gonna hop in the shower and then get to organizing some of my clothes. So my laundry took a lot longer than expected in organizing some stuff. I really don't even want to put up a video today, but I committed, so it's gonna happen. So I am gonna just put up my Walmart video. I just have to film the outro and like the haul of what I bought. So I just threw on some quick makeup here, and I'm gonna run to the store and go grab the ingredients for supper. I'm gonna do a pasta bake, so I'm gonna head to the store to grab that. I live literally right down the street from the grocery store, so it should be very fast, and then I could get that in the oven because it takes like almost an hour to cook. Okay, so I just got back from the grocery store, and I'm just making a pasta I saw online. It's just a rigatoni pasta bake, and this is pretty much all you need. Rigatoni noodles, ground beef. I got some diced onion, Italian seasoning, some spaghetti sauce, garlic, and mozzarella cheese. Pasta is done. It looks so good. All we did was just pre-cook the meat, pre-cook the noodles, throw it all in for 20 minutes in the oven at 350, and then put the cheese on top and bake for 10 more minutes. The progress of my clothing decluttering. I did get a whole bin filled of stuff. I have lots of jeans in here, pretty much all fall winter stuff. So I might try to list these on my Poshmark page. We'll see. I'll link it down below. They probably won't be up yet as this video goes up, but if you guys follow me over there, hopefully I'll have some listed by the time this goes up. But it always takes so long to get those listings. But yeah, we did pretty good with the decluttering. I definitely needed to make some room here. But this took me so long today to organize all my laundry and do this decluttering. I'm like in super decluttering mode right now, so I kind of need to take a step back so I can focus more on vlogmas for YouTube, because I should have more time to work on this in like January and stuff like that. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Thrive Market. I'll have that link down below where you could get 30% off and a free gift from your membership. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.